Hi friends, in this video, we will learn how to access an item of a list. Lists use zero-based indexing, where 0 is the index of the first item and len of list minus 1 is the index of the last item. Any item of a list can be accessed using the index operator denoted by square brackets. For example, let us assign a list containing items string t, integer 4, float 9.0 and boolean true to a variable L. Now, L of 0 will access and return the first item of the list, that is string t. Similarly, executing L of 2 will return the third item of the list, that is floating point number 9.0. Now, if we execute L of 4, it raises an index error as the specified index 4 is out of range. As the length of the list is 4, the valid range of index is 0 to 3. Just like string, list supports negative indexing. That is, you can access the values of list from the end. Index of minus 1 denotes the last item in the list, minus 2 the second last item, and so on and so forth. For example, let us assign a list containing items string t, integer 4, float 9.0 and boolean true to a variable L. L of minus 1 returns the last item of the list, that is boolean true. L of minus 3 returns the third item from the right, that is integer 4. L of minus 5 raises an index error as the minimum valid negative index is minus 4 as the length of the list is 4. The length of a list can be obtained using the built-in len function, which can be used to determine the upper bound of the index. For example, let us assign a list containing items string t, integer 4, float 9.0 and boolean true to a variable L. On executing ln equal to len of L, the length of list L is stored in variable ln. Now, L of ln minus 1 returns true as ln minus 1 is the index position of the last item. Similarly, L of ln integer divided by 2 returns 9.0 as the item at index 2 is 9.0.